Man, this cat is like totally observing us the whole time.
Man, so much shit don't see. That's fucked up.
Alright, a lot of these screws are like totally not labeled properly. But we're gonna tell you where to put them in the general area, and you'll just figure out where each specific one goes, cause we don't got that kind of talent to be telling you each and every screw and where they go. So
I don't even know
suck
what these
it.
screws are. Like, look at that stuff.
We got some star shapes, and we got some squares, and some pencil tops, and some stars, and some flatheads, and plus signs, and we're gonna open up this dirty bag, and we see what looks like we're putting them in here, and that little thing up there looks to make sense. Y'all can't see that too well. They're fitting, they're going in. And we just hope that there's enough holes for all of these things to go in there. And now we're officially mixing and matching that with the screws, which just makes me think that the screws don't go there.
Yep, makes me think that too.
So we're gonna take the screws out of here. That pretty much means that the screws go in that unnamed area, and therefore they don't matter what order we put them in, because there's no names for any of that. See, that's actually an incredibly tight fit.
It's supposed to be.
Like, but I mean, like, that's a tight.
So don't put it under there.
Raw, see? Boom.
Pull it out.
I'm trying. Alright, so at the moment, it does not seem as though the screws go in here because we got them.
Shit don't even got. It's not
There we go. We got that one out. See, when you get the right grip on it, it slides out pretty easily.
Man, this shit has no name.
And these little black things, I don't even know what those would be called, but they're all just fitting in that one and that one pretty easily.
Man, these last two.
Alright, and all these black pieces inside the dirty bag are officially in here, which honestly only leaves this one little thing for all the screws, but that is an incredibly tight fit, and it is incredibly hard to get those screws out once they're in.
Check this out.
Go to camera, click the clappy. What am I taking a picture of?
Yes.
Right now?
As soon as it's done. Well, let me get the hell out the way. Can I get out?
I was trying to see if I could use it as a permanent flash. A light for this. That was some effective lighting. Also, if any of y'all watching this video out there worked at any kind of fast food joint or something, and y'all the manager, or y'all close to the manager, or y'all close to someone in power, tell them to tell the CEO of Wendy's, McDonald's, wherever, they need delivery. They need to start doing delivery. They need to rake in the dough and bring the food straight to my house. So we put in all the screw tips in this hole and they fit. They look like they're going to be a hassle to get out, but we officially finished. Everything is in. Everything fits. There's no problem with the closing. So call this video over. Actually, once again, went a little over 10 minutes. So yeah, later. Hope this helps. This is the Craftmen 154 piece tool set. Yeah. All right, later. Click.